Good morning, Mihira. How are you feeling today? Ready for your flu shot?
A bit nervous, actually. I've heard the flu shot can cause a lot of side effects.
It's understandable to feel that way. The flu shot is a safe and effective way to protect yourself from the flu. It's true, some people experience mild side effects like soreness at the injection site, low-grade fever, or muscle aches. But these are usually temporary and manageable.
Okay, that's reassuring. I'm also concerned about the effectiveness of the flu shot. I've heard the flu virus mutates every year.
That's correct, Mihira. The flu vaccine is updated annually to match the circulating strains of the virus. While it's not a perfect match every year, getting vaccinated significantly reduces your risk of severe illness if you do catch the flu.
I see. I guess it's worth the risk of mild side effects to protect myself from a potentially serious illness.
Absolutely. The benefits of the flu shot far outweigh the risks. Are you ready to proceed?
It's completely understandable to feel a bit overwhelmed when we talk about making changes to improve your health, Mihira, but I want to assure you that even small steps can make a big difference, and we're here to support you through it. One of the most powerful things you can do for your heart health is to focus on reducing cardiac risk factors. Think of this as giving your heart the best possible chance to stay strong and healthy for years to come. For instance, if you smoke, quitting smoking is the single most impactful change you can make. Smoking severely damages your blood vessels and significantly increases your risk of heart disease, so stopping is a huge step in the right direction. Then there's your diet. We're talking about adopting a healthy diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while cutting down on processed foods, unhealthy fats, and excessive salt. This helps keep your blood pressure and cholesterol levels in check. Alongside diet, regular exercise is incredibly beneficial. Even moderate activity, like a brisk walk for 30 minutes most days, can strengthen your heart, help manage your weight, and improve your overall well-being. Lastly, managing stress is key. Chronic stress can take a toll on your heart, so finding healthy ways to cope, whether it's through hobbies, mindfulness, or simply taking time for yourself, is really important. We can explore some strategies that might work for you. Now, let's talk about follow-up care. This is just as crucial as making these lifestyle changes. These appointments are designed to monitor your recovery closely. They allow us to see how your heart is responding to these efforts and to make any adjustments as needed to your treatment plan or lifestyle recommendations. Regular checkups also help us avoid complications by catching any potential issues early before they become more serious. It's truly a partnership, and these follow-up visits ensure we're on the right track together for your long-term heart health. Do you have any questions about these steps, Mihira?